In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make stir fry and beef. Welcome to my channel, guys. So the ingredients needed for these tutorials are green bell pepper, red bell pepper, spring onions, carrots, ginger, and garlic, then onions, and the beef itself. If you'll be using the ginger and the garlic, whichever way you might want it, you might grate it, or better still, you grind so that it will add taste to the stir fry. So first of all, you get your beef, you wash your beef. This is my third time of washing the beef. All the ingredients needed for this tutorial is in the description box, so you check it out. So after washing your beef, you have to add your seasoning to taste. Okay, you would need your salt, seasoning, the beef seasoning, Maggi. Then you need an egg, depending on how much you like egg, or depending on the quantity of the beef you are frying. So you mix everything together, you mix the egg also into it and mix properly so that the beef will be very tasty. By the time you finish frying, it will come out so nice and smell and also taste like suya. So right now we are getting the beef ready for frying. Make sure that you have already washed all your vegetables, okay, because after frying we'll have to cut the vegetables. So this is your ginger. I usually prefer to grate my ginger and my garlic, okay. And if you don't like grating, or if you're trying to be careful of your fingers, you can as well blend the ginger and the garlic. So after doing this, you'd mix the ginger and the garlic in the beef. So now you have to fry the beef. After mixing the seasoning in it, you need a little bit of vegetable oil. The vegetable oil shouldn't be so much. Then you fry the beef. And please, when you're doing this, make sure that the pressure of the cooker isn't too high. You reduce the pressure. I did a video on how to save your gas cooker, like how to make your gas cooker last longer. I'll drop the link in my description box. Okay, now you have to cut your vegetables. After washing your vegetables, you have to cut your vegetables. Please note that when you're cutting the carrots, make sure that before cutting the carrots, you have to scrape the skin. And then when you are cutting the vegetables, they should all be in the same shape, so that everything will come out nice after frying. So while you're cutting the vegetables, you are still frying the beef. The beef can be on the stove burner for about 20-25 minutes, as long as the pressure is not too high. All right, guys. Please don't forget to remove the seeds in your green and red bell pepper. So now the beef is ready and it is very soft now. So what you have to do is to pour the beef and place it aside. I'm still using the same frying pan, but now I've washed the frying pan. If you do not want to use the same frying pan, you can change your frying pan. Then you need a little bit of vegetable oil now again for the vegetable stir fry. Do not forget to reduce the pressure. First thing first is your onions. You add the onions first. That is what goes into the oil first. Then the carrot. The spring onions is the last thing that goes into the pan. It's the last thing that goes in because it is soft and you still want to feel the taste when you are eating. So now you add a cube of sugar or a little pinch of sugar. You don't need too much. It's just to add a nice taste, sweet taste to the vegetables. Your other seasoning goes in. A little pinch of Maggi, pinch of salt, and then you stir. You stir the vegetables. So when you feel or you see that it's so soft, then you can add the beef to it. Actually, I'm using the cube sugar because that is what is available. If you prefer ground sugar, you can use your ground sugar. Sorry, you can hear some sound in the background of this video. I'm actually recording while the rain is pouring. The rain just started pouring and I can't just stop. Sorry about that. So you had your beef and then you stir together. Please note that the vegetables shouldn't last than 10 minutes or 12 minutes so that you can still get the real taste and so that it won't be too soft. And lastly, your spring onions. You mix everything together as well. So guys, let me know which food that you prefer to eat the stir fry with. Maybe jollof rice, white rice, porridge, or spaghetti. Because I prefer to eat it with jollof rice. And food is ready, guys. Okay. Don't forget to like this video, guys. And subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the entire video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.